They say, given the following set of data, you should determine the 5-number summary. Now, what is this 5-number summary? 5-number summary is the minimum. What is the smallest value that we have? Remember, we can't talk about the smallest value that we have unless the data is arranged from the smallest to the biggest. What is the smallest value that we have here? So you tell them the minimum is 1. And then after that, we have the max. What is the biggest value that we have here? 10. It's 10. So after that, we should draw a box and we are not done with the 5-number summary. After that, we should determine Q2. No? Q2 is 4. How do you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17. Remember, we have 1 all over 2. No? And we have 17 plus 1, which is going to give us, it's 18, then it's 9. Let's go and look for the person who's occupying position number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our Q2 is equaling to what? 9. Yeah? Oh, our Q2 is 4. Is in position 9. Yeah, I was checking if you're awake. Now I see you're awake. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9. Okay, let's check. How many values are still remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is going to be our Q1? It's going to be 2, 1, 5. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is going to be Q3? 8,5. Okay, this is going to be our 5-number summary. We're going to give you a mark for Q2. We're going to give you a mark for minimum and maximum. We're going to give you a mark for Q1 and Q2 both. We're going to give you a mark. Then they say, would you draw a box and whisker diagram? How do you draw a box and a whisker diagram? Q1, Q2, and Q3, they represent what we call the box. So we're going to come and say, what is Q1? Q1 is 2,5. So we come and draw a line on 2,5. Here it is. We don't draw it directly on the number line, just above the number line. After that, we have Q2. What is Q2? 4. It's 4. Just above 4, I draw a line. And then we have Q3. What is Q3? 8,5. 8,5. Then I'm going to connect this thing here. Then it's going to give me something called the box. And then what are going to be the whiskers? The whiskers is going to be the minimum and the what and the maximum. So I come and say, yeah, this is the minimum. And then here, this is going to be. That is the maximum. Ne? Okay, let me skip this one. Shh. I'm going to skip number 3, calculating the mean. We already know how to calculate the mean. And then we go to how is the data distributed? Comment on the skewness of the data. Based on what we just learned today, what will we say? We say this is 0 here. Ne? This is negative, this is positive. Ne? So our data is bigger which side? The positive side or the negative side? So we'll say this is positively skewed. Ne? And then this is how we are supposed to do activity number, example number 10.